Hi guys, just want to share this torch I got from Amazon today. It's the Energizer Pivot Plus with the head rotation 175 degrees. It's on 300 lumens on high power and should survive 7 meters drop. So it's a tough torch. Runs on 2 AA batteries, and if you run on high power, it's showing here the time is 5 hours, so the battery should last 5 hours, and the light is 30 meters, so the distance light is 30 meters, and these clouds here should be showing like weatherproof or waterproof. Yeah, it's quite compact, light. We're gonna open in a minute and check the performance. I don't see on the back now. Yeah, on the economic mode, on the power save, should last 30 hours, so the battery runs for 30 hours instead of 5 hours on the high mode. Let's have a look here. It's dimmable from 100% to 10%, so we have to try that as well. Shatterproof lens, adjustable output, durable construction, magnet base, and also you can put a lanyard. I think right on the base here there is some slot. You can put a lanyard. So yeah, it's quite versatile. So shall we open and have a look? So guys, the secret they use is this diffuser on the lens. Can you see this lens? These small dots. That's what they cause the light to disperse, to spread. So instead of being like a laser type of light, like a more focus, it's gonna be a more like a throw, like a flood type of light. So if you have a small room, probably you light up the entire room, just because this diffuser. Just for comparison, I got this another Energizer Hardcase. Look, this main beam, this one got 2 lights. One with the diffuser, the small one with the diffuser, and the main one. So this one is more like a focus type of light. So the light will travel longer, will go further because it's more focus. But comparing with this other, look, they are the same size, but this one will produce a more like focus type of light, but this one will be more like a throw, definitely. All set up now. We got the Project Plus with 4 AA batteries, and we got the Pivot Plus 175 with 2 AA batteries. So shall we try both and compare the performance? Hi guys, so the Project Plus on high power. And now on low power. On low power is using only the diffuser. So the only one is the diffuser now. Okay guys, the first one I wanna try is the Project Plus. So you can see the bear there. And now, this is on full power, I'll change for low power. That's low power. Okay, now the Pivot Plus on full power. And now on low power. It's flicking quite a lot. I don't know why this effect. And if you press and hold, it's gonna dim the light. Yeah. And low power, off, and full power. The Project Plus and Pivot Plus, you cannot make signals. It's not possible to make signals. So you just have high power, low power, off. Same this one, high power, low power, and off. If you press and hold, you dim the light. That's what's gonna happen. You press and hold, and you dim the light. Okay? With this one here, you cannot dim the light. It's just on and off. But if you half press, if you light press, you can make signals. Just a light touch and signal. This is a really nice feature. I really like this feature to signalize. Unfortunately, on these two models, you cannot do that. Okay? Until next time, if you have any comments, feel free. Bye bye.